I got a 2008 Chevy Avalanche. I had recently the code po300 for that ECT. It's located right here. All you gotta do is unhook this from here. Just pull it, and then once that's done, I use 3/4 size for taking it out. It comes out pretty good. It wasn't that tight. This is the old one. You can see it's, I think somebody else broke it before. I don't know if you can see it's already broken on top. But it wasn't giving problems until recently. Yeah, so I just took it out and put it in. It took me about, I don't know, half a minute. It's usually located on the driver's side of the vehicle, right next to the spark plug wire. Sometimes we don't know where it's located. Hope this video helps you guys. Thank you for watching.